Let's try a sea cucumber. It's a marine animal and it looks like the caterpillar of the sea. I'm not sure what those lines or bumps are on the inside, but I just boiled this for about 30 minutes. It smells kind of like the ocean. It doesn't taste like anything. It's a bit soft, almost like al dente pasta just before al dente, so it has more of a bite to it. Who eats this stuff? Initially it came dried, so you had to rehydrate it, and then I had to soak it in water for about 4 days and keep changing the water every day, and then it plumped up. Okay, at least this is a better experience than I had with jellyfish. That was just super salty and it was inedible. On its own, it doesn't really taste like anything. I guess it can absorb a lot of flavors, but then it's like tofu where it just absorbs whatever flavor you put into it. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this, honestly. I guess what I can do is try making some stir fry and see how that tastes. If you guys have any recommendations, let me know in the comments. But in terms of flavor and taste, I'm giving this maybe a 3.1 out of 10. It's an interesting texture. Flavor wise, honestly doesn't really taste like anything. It smells a bit like the ocean. That's pretty much it.